Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use crypto in GCash, step by step. First, let's ensure your GCash account is ready. You need to be a fully verified GCash user, which means submitting a valid government ID. Also, you must be at least 18 years old to register for GCrypto. Make sure your GCash profile information has been updated within the last 3 years for a smooth setup process. Once your GCash account is set up, accessing GCrypto is straightforward. Simply open your GCash app and tap View All on the dashboard. Then, look for GCrypto under the Enjoy section and tap it. You'll be prompted to complete a quick risk profiling questionnaire and agree to the terms and conditions before you can proceed. Now for the exciting part, buying crypto. GCrypto offers over 40 different cryptocurrencies, including popular ones like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Select your preferred digital asset, then input the amount you wish to buy, either in Philippine pesos or the cryptocurrency equivalent. The price you see already includes all service and platform fees, and it updates every 10 seconds for real-time accuracy. Just confirm your purchase and you're done. Managing your crypto is just as easy. To sell, simply choose the cryptocurrency you wish to liquidate, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. You can also send and receive supported digital assets to and from other crypto wallets. Remember that withdrawal fees can vary by coin, and there's a daily top-up limit of 100,000 Philippine pesos from your GCash wallet to GCrypto. Always review transaction details carefully.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.